Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly Thangi ngenza ividiyo la ngikhuluma ngendaba kababa uJenene uMasimula. Eh kube sekuba khona impendulo ebuya kumkhulu lo uKhatshale. Waphendula uKhatshale laphayana wathi ubaba uMasimula uyaxhamazela. Woza-ke ngikutshela ukuthi what happened behind the scenes. Into eyenzekile behind the scenes lapha ukuthi ubaba uKhatshale ngalesikhathi lama-docket awu-121 elapha ehhovisini lika Sibiya ePitoli. Wabe selithola ishansi-ke uKhatshale ukuthi ashekhe lapha lawa madokodo. Nafike wathola khona ukuthi kukhona amagama ama-high profile politicians including nabanye osomabhizinisi kanye no minister wamaphoyisa lo owaye before uMacele ukhona lapha kulawa madokodo. So njengoba nimuzwa ke manje engathi ugxeka uMasimula, akamgxeki ngoba kuwukuthi uMasimula wrong. uMasimula uyiphoyisa. uMasimula wenza umsebenzi wamaphoyisa. uMasimula uyena umkhuzi wamaphoyisa wonke jikelele eSouth Africa. Uyena one-right yokwenza umsebenzi wamaphoyisa, not iminister. Iminister iyagxambukela. Ayinayo i-right yokuthi igxambukele emsebenzini wamaphoyisa because he never went to school for i-policing. He does not know anything about investigating. He does not know anything about writing a docket or combining a docket or writing a statement or anything of that nature. So ukuthi manje he's busy trying to discredit ubaba uMasimula ngoba yena enikezwe isihlalo sokuba uminister. It is wrong. Because he is doing so to protect abantu abafana noMacele, abantu abafana noMacingwane kanye namanye ama-politician kanye nosomabhizinisi. So I think we need to make enough noise as South Africans to say that we support uMasimula, we support uMkhwanazi. So that laba bengezukuzenzela umathanda, angithi bona bakhethe indlela elula, bathi bona bazokwenza i-commission, bazokwenza ne-ad hoc. Okay, I know ukuthi my party also pushed for ad hoc committee, but bona they were pushing for a commission of inquiry. So manje bafethu inkinga lento ukuthi so many people are quiet. Even the media is quiet about what Khatshale said. But le yokuthi ama-docket kune possibility ukuthi ayele sibonile igcwele. But le yokuthi uKhatshale is trying to confuse the people ngokuthi agxamukele emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. He is not a policeman. Yena okwakho ukulalela ukuthi amaphoyisa athini ebese sitshela lokho kushiwo amaphoyisa. Hayi yena ukuthi atshela amaphoyisa ukuthi kumele enzini. Wazini ngepolicing? That is the question. What does Khatshale, as a minister, what does he know about policing? Because okwakhe ukuthi they report to him only. Ukuthi hayi sesiwathathela ama-docket manje siwashonisa le eThekwini bese ethi phela leyo ukuthi yena uzophikisana naleyo nto leyo. It shows clearly ukuthi ubonile lapha ukuthi kukhona abantu ngesingayo kungamele ngabe balapha. So kumele bavikelwe labo bantu. So ingakho ke yena he's against into yenziwe ubaba uMasimula. Thina eSouth Africans we are happy for leyo nto leyo ukuthi leya tax team ebilokhu isebenza ke nokho. uMkhwanazi wakuveza futhi ukuthi kunama-docket awu-5 lapha ase-ready sebengawenza ama-arrest. So manje lo ozothi hey akusadlalwa manje. Isigebengu nesigebengu solala ejele. Cha, sazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ke mase iboshiwe zonke lezi zigebengu. Mhlambe sekuyobe sekubalula ukuthi kushawa ikhuditha eSouth Africa.